no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Video with Cat, and today I'm here to give you guys a very short but very informative hair review video from Klaiyi hair. I hope I'm saying that name right. Apologies if I'm not. So this is a V-part body wig. You can actually have some of your hair out with this wig, and I really did miss having my actual hair out on top of wigs. This wig, however, has showed me how long I've been without putting heat to my head, y'all. For my natural girls, I have a fear of adding heat to my head and losing my curl pattern. And yeah, y'all, I'm so glad that this was an easy transition for me. I rarely use heat, so this was kind of a scary thing to do for me because I love my curl pattern. I love my 4B, 4C hair. All I had to do was basically use my chai heat thermal protectant, and y'all, when I wet my hair the next day, it came right back. So I was very happy about that. But I did want to take a break from adding glue and sprays to my head, so I'm like, why not? I would love to see what this V-part wig is going to look like on me. Everything about this V-part wig will be in my description box below. You guys can actually use a special code to get 25% off. It will be in my description box below as well. This hair was very soft, very full. So that was kind of tricky with trying to blend my hair in on top of this hair. I will say, just for added comfort for my girls that want to make sure that this hair is blending with their hair while your hair is out, I would personally want to get like 2 or 3 little tracks of hair to kind of put between your natural hair, so it can kind of give that illusion of, okay girl, you giving me sew-in vibes, you know. So that's the only thing that I could say about having my natural hair out on top of this hair. I just wanted to do a side part instead of a middle part for this style. I did curl my hair so the wig hair and my hair could camouflage a little bit with each other. So the pros and cons with this wig, I really love how easy and fast it was to put this on. I didn't have to worry about laying no glue down. I had to worry about adding no extra type of elastic bands. This was definitely given 2011 through 2015 vibes because I used to wear the crap out of a U-part wig. I used to make my own U-part wigs and have my hair on top. So this was very nostalgic for me. So yeah, y'all, I really did like this wig. I love how full it was. I love the built-in security for this hair. I love the clip-ins. I love the construction of the actual wig, so you don't have to worry about the hair sliding off or falling off your head. The only con that I did have is with me just trying to match my texture with the actual hair texture. That's no one's fault. It's not my fault that my hair is this texture. It's not the wig fault that that's the texture that it is, but you know, hey, we tried to finesse it, and in the end, I think it looks pretty good, y'all. So that concludes today's video. I really appreciate how short this video was. We getting straight to the point this year, y'all. Oh yeah, y'all, happy new year, happy 2022. I'm really excited about this year. It's just something about this year and how hopeful I feel about it. I feel so optimistic about 2022. There's just something in the air about just optimism for me. Like, I am ready for positive energy. I am ready for positive vibes. I'm just ready for a good year, y'all, and I just hope y'all is too. Thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.